The RAMSMOBILE, nicknamed the Belarusian Hummer, has been the subject of much discussion online due to its impressive design and technical solutions. The development of the hydraulic door folding mechanism alone took a year and a half, but the retractable track steals the show. The designers aimed to create the most stunning off-roader in the world, and they succeeded. Each seat comes equipped with an electronic hookah, a unique feature that is unmatched by other characteristics such as the digital dashboard, backlighting, and Teflon underbody coating. With a ground clearance of 348 millimeters, the RAMSMOBILE is available in 3 versions: gasoline, diesel, and electric. The electric model boasts an impressive 1,200 horsepower. While the car's price is estimated at around $1.5 million, it is worth noting that for the same amount, you could purchase about 15 Hummers. However, it is unlikely that they would offer the same level of emotion as this vehicle. Our next stop on this journey is Japan, the birthplace of the Transformers franchise, and it did not disappoint. Imagine buses that can travel on both roads and rails, taking only 15 seconds to switch between modes. Just pull out or remove the additional wheel sets, and you're ready to go. These buses have enough room for 21 passengers, can reach speeds of up to 60 kilometers per hour on the rails, and up to 100 kilometers per hour on the road. Interestingly, the Japanese engineers didn't start from scratch, but rather ingeniously modified existing diesel models. This tweak has resulted in the buses using less fuel, which is great news for the environment. However, new separate routes had to be created for these vehicles for safety reasons. Nevertheless, the result is not only a convenient transport option, but also an exciting attraction for tourists. In 2014, Volkswagen engineers introduced the concept pickup truck, TRISTAR, with the primary focus being versatility. The vehicle's features enable it to serve multiple purposes, such as collecting firewood in the woods, transporting cargo, or taking a trip with friends. The TRISTAR, built on the Volkswagen T5 van, includes an intriguing dual cargo platform with a retractable section under the truck bed. The interior is equally impressive, with a coffee machine being an unexpected addition alongside a large screen display. The driver and passenger seats are also rotatable. The TRISTAR boasts a 204 horsepower diesel engine, a 7-speed gearbox, and a top speed of 185 kilometers per hour. The company aimed to blend the elements of the past and the future while commemorating the anniversary of the first synchro concept car. Today, the name has been changed to 4Motion, but the permanent all-wheel drive feature remains the same. The American team at Ram Trucks is set to introduce a small revolution with their latest concept, which they promise to begin producing in 2024. There are so many exciting features to this vehicle that it's hard to choose which one is the most impressive. It boasts an extendable truck bed capable of holding loads up to 5.5 meters in length, as well as a heads-up display that replaces the traditional dashboard. The shadow mode is another intriguing feature, allowing the pickup truck to follow a person walking ahead of it at a safe distance. Furthermore, the vehicle offers Level 3 autonomous driving capabilities, allowing drivers to watch a movie or play on their phones while on the road. The truck is eco-friendly, with recycled plastic bottles and apple peels used in the interior. Moving on to the next entry, we have the BMW Z1, which secured 3rd place in the cool door lineup. This vehicle is impressive on its own, sporting a 170 horsepower engine and a 5-speed manual gearbox, with only 8,000 units produced. However, the real showstopper is its magic door set, which is truly mesmerizing. The windows retract into the doors, and the doors into the floor, creating a mechanical Russian doll controlled remotely. While this feature is undoubtedly innovative and captivating, it may not be the best option when in a high-pressure situation, such as being pursued by a serial killer, as some commenters joked. The second place on the list is occupied by the Rezvani Beast Alpha, a California-made supercar. With a 500 horsepower engine, it can accelerate from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.5 seconds. Its futuristic design resembles that of a spaceship and is complemented by unique sidewinder doors that are unlike any other car doors on the market. On the other hand, the first place goes to the Hi-Fi X, an unassuming-looking Chinese electric SUV. Its unique feature is the rear door that splits into two sections, one of which opens 89 degrees back and the other 80 degrees up. The Hi-Fi X doesn't have any handles, and the door can be opened without touching it. Australian specialists offer a range of upgrades for production cars that cater to specific tasks. These upgrades can transform a regular car into a mobile workshop, camper, or mobile shop, among other configurations. Customers can choose from ready-made modules or opt for custom configurations. For instance, the IDC-16 Canopy allows users to set up a roof tent and offers a 155 centimeters retractable storage system with removable luggage trays made of aluminum and stainless steel. LED taillights are also included. The Canopy costs around $9,600, but the demand for these upgrades is high in Australia, particularly for pickup trucks such as UTEs with a two-door coupe cabin and an integral cargo bed behind the cabin. The Chinese automobile giant BYD, which stands for Build Your Dreams, is making significant strides in realizing their vision. In March 2023, journalists managed to capture footage of their new SUV, the Yangwang U8, and experts have identified its design inspiration. Although it bears similarities to the Land Rover Defender, its specifications are unique, boasting 4 independent electric motors that produce a combined 1,100 horsepower. Additionally, it offers incredible features, such as the ability to turn 360 degrees on the spot, drive diagonally, and even swim across nearby bodies of water. While the release date for this vehicle is yet to be announced, its price is already known, estimated to be around $143,000. This seems reasonable considering the car can go from 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3 seconds. Do you want to transform your pickup truck into a dump truck? You can do it easily by purchasing an upgrade kit for around $1,500. The PH310 is the entry-level model that can carry loads up to 3 tons, while the flagship model, the PH630, can handle up to 12 tons. The latest option can be controlled remotely, and it has many applications. For example, this Ford Ranger owner uses it to transport compost. You can also use it for delivering loose materials, working on construction sites, landscaping, or garbage disposal. As you can see, upgraded pickups are useful for both personal and business purposes and can help you make money. It's no coincidence that the top 3 selling cars in the US in the first half of 2022 were pickup trucks. And the Ford F-Series, the leader of the list, sold almost 300,000 vehicles. Did you know that Germany has 13% of all camping sites in the EU? Mercedes-Benz is aware of this and offers their customers the perfect solution to explore the great outdoors: the Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo camper minivans. The vehicle's name was inspired by the famous Phoenician traveler Marco Polo. This van is designed to be a home away from home, complete with padded armchairs, a built-in kitchenette, a convertible roof, and 4 beds. You have the option of choosing between rear or all-wheel drive, as well as 3 diesel engines with 163, 190, or 237 horsepower. The navigation system, Garmin Map Pilot, comes with 3-dimensional maps to keep you on the right path. The Mercedes-Benz Marco Polo is priced at around $70,000. Lowriders, once a symbol of American World War II veterans, have now become a popular hobby worldwide, from Brazil to Japan. These unique vehicles have now become associated with hip-hop, peculiar dances, and big money. For example, the West Coast Customs model created for Kobe Bryant was valued at approximately $221,000. Lowriders are easily recognizable due to their small wheels, powerful audio systems, numerous chrome details, and soft seats. These cars are capable of jumping and dancing thanks to their refined suspension. Almost any car can be transformed into a lowrider, whether it be a vintage American car or a brand new Cadillac Escalade, though some people argue that the latter resembles a hearse. Nevertheless, it's impossible to please everyone, right? The vehicle is an automotive masterpiece that appears to have been plucked straight from a movie set. At one moment, it's driving along calmly, and in the next, it's blasting bullets from an M134D minigun to fend off enemies. This car is perfect for escorting VIPs, as the minigun can be activated in just 3 seconds and has a 360-degree rotation that can move 45 degrees up and 10 degrees down. In only 8 seconds, the car can revert to its appearance as a conventional vehicle once the danger has passed. The vehicle also comes with B6 level armor, which provides additional protection against attacks from Kalashnikov assault rifles and 7.62mm sniper rifles. Additionally, the run-flat tires can still be driven even with a complete loss of pressure. This upgrade is ideal for GMC Yukon and Chevrolet Suburban models, although the team is capable of modifying other vehicles as well.